Okay, so sy het nou 'n hele rant gegaan oor how could you make this video of that guy laying there injured, and how could you make this video of that guy laying there almost dying en al die. Hoe weet sy die details van hy video? Waar het sy die video gesien? Sy het die video gesien op TikTok. Nou hoekom het sy die video gekyk? Sy sien dan as 'n accident scene. Sy sien dan as iets wat nie vir jou, wat nie van hou nie. Sy is aan die een wat sê, if you don't like my videos, you must scroll. Dan is sy die een wat die video's kyk. Nou sy highly upset. En ek sê nie wat hulle gedoen het as reggie, ek myself het 'n video gemaak wat ek gesê het. Maar ek het nie vir die mense condemn wat die video gemaak het, asof ek is nou op 'n moerse moral high ground. Meanwhile, it was sent to you via WhatsApp from people that you know. And if you didn't get it via WhatsApp or another means and you saw it on social media, hoekom het jy die video gekyk? Toe sy sien waar gaan die video, hoekom het sy die video gekyk? Sy sien die probleem as mense wil op 'n wit klip staan. If people want to climb on a moral high ground, then they are part of the problem. It is supply and demand. The reason why these people whip out their cameras in a situation like that is because they know they're going to go viral. Why? Because people watch the videos. They want to see these videos. Then after they watch the video, they want to be upset about the video. How dare you? That is somebody's brother. That is somebody. Maar so sy ook die video gekyk van hy rasta ou wat gestam gewees het. So sy ook die video gekyk van hy vrou wat gesmash en grab gewees het, dat die mense net verby ry en video's maak van haar. So sy ook die video gekyk toe hy bus op hy mense val en is 'n groot accident. Don't come here on this platform and act as if you are on this moral high ground when you yourself watch each and every one of those videos. Now it's a fabricated rage. Sy is nou die kwaadste. Sy is mostly sy is offended. Sy is part van die problem. Because I can tell you now, there are people walking around now that have not seen that video. That is not upset, that is not moved. When somebody asks me, do you want to see the video? I said yes. Dat ek kan nie na die tyd kom op die platform en sê, hoekom maak julle sulke video's? But ek het die video gekykie. Okay? I think 2026 is for me, is going to be spent, I don't know, trying just to be a better person and not to be the people that I call out. That's what I've always tried to do that. Sometimes I get it right, sometimes I fail. But I'm going to try my darndest in 2026 to be a better person in that way. That I do not call out the behavior in others that I'm doing. Because how else would you know to be upset? How else would you know to make this video? Oh, how dare you? How dare you make a video, but jy het die video gekyk? Hy wag.